Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying Photoshop's auto-save settings so you know where backups are written. Open Edit Preferences File Handling and note the auto-save interval and path. This tells you how often Photoshop writes recovery copies. Once done, use your OS file browser to navigate directly to that folder. On Windows, check App Data. On Mac OS, check /library/application support. Make sure hidden folders are visible, because auto-recover files often live in buried directories and may use PSB or TMP extensions. Next, you'll perform a focus search and attempt recovery. Use your File Explorer search. Filter by date modified and extensions like PSD, PSB, and TMP to surface candidates. Once found, copy those files to a safe folder. Do not edit originals yet. Then open Photoshop and use File Open to attempt loading the copied file. Sometimes you need to rename TMP to PSD. If Open Recent lists the file, try that too, because Photoshop may map recovery metadata. Finally, you'll validate and complete the restore. Open the recovered document, inspect layers, masks, and linked assets, and immediately save anew. PSD to preserve integrity. Once done, export critical layers or a flattened version for quick fallback. If the file appears corrupted, try opening as Camera Raw or using FilePlace to import contents. Sometimes that bypasses minor corruption. One key tip: increase auto-save frequency and enable Cloud Sync so future losses are less likely. If issues continue, check disk health and permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.